So congrats to getting to this level of managing people. While at the same time, it's a different type of skill set compared to maybe doing a specific task or responsibilities. So three things. One, be great at communication skills. So be able to provide clear expectations and listen to what other people in your team need to be successful. Understand that each human has individual needs and they may work differently. Two, be open to feedback, both receiving it and giving it. And third is make sure to acknowledge your team member's success, even bringing it up to your supervisor. Like, hey, it was really great that person A was able to save us X amount, or that person B was able to make X revenue. So make sure to acknowledge certain team members, even when reporting and sharing it to your own managers.